What's up, you guys? Welcome to another episode of Adulting. Now, this episode is probably one of the most requested topics for any college students. As you read from the title, we are learning the basics of taxes. As someone famous once said, the only guarantees in life are death and taxes. Here are some of the things you need to know about taxes. Basically, every time you earn money through your paycheck, you also have to pay a certain percentage of that income to the government and their budget. Most everyone has to do their taxes unless you make less than a certain income. Why, you may ask? The government collects taxes from both individuals and businesses to fund Medicaid, Medicare, or Social Security, run the post office, or even fix the roads we drive on. Even though the roads in Maryville are always terrible, they finance these public services and always collect these taxes on your income during tax season, so you have to know how to plan accordingly. To simplify this, money will get taken out of every paycheck. So when you file your taxes, you will get what is called a tax return, where you receive some money back. If you don't file your taxes or you owe money and don't pay, then there will be legal consequences. One other thing to note is that there are several types of taxes. Some of them include income, corporate, sales, and property taxes. Income tax is the percentage of your earnings that is taxed to the federal government. Corporate tax is similar to income tax, except it is on the profits of a corporation. Sales tax is the tax that is applied to most consumer purchases, like the ones you see on an Amazon order, and the rate varies from state to state. And finally, a property tax is a tax on things like owned land and real estate. There are other types of taxes, but these are the ones you'll see the most. So why exactly do we file our taxes? Taxes come with things called deductions and tax credits. So you actually get something called a tax refund based on your calculations of your income, withholdings, and other factors like deductions. To define, withholdings can be found on a form, and from there, you choose the rate at which you withhold a portion of your income to cover the cost of your taxes, whether that be a high or a low amount. Withholdings allow you to take a small portion of your income away automatically. So when you file your taxes, you have already paid those taxes. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month and your withholdings is set at 5%, you would pay $100 in withholdings, or $1,200 a year. If you owe more, you have to pay the difference. If that happens, you should probably increase your withholdings for the next year if you don't want to owe money upon filing taxes. On the flip side, if you owe less, you'll get a refund. If this happens, you could keep your withholdings the same so that they do not end up owing money next year, and likely get another refund. So what do you need to start filing your taxes? Some of the essentials include a driver's license or other form of ID, a W-2 earnings statement, your Social Security number, and federal and state tax returns from the last year you filed. Those W-2 forms are from all the places you legally worked the prior year. You can learn how to obtain these forms by contacting the HR department of the company. Once you have this, you file your state and federal taxes. Filing your taxes is not the same as paying your taxes. You paid taxes all year through state and federal deductions from your paychecks. The reason you file your taxes is to confirm you paid with the IRS. If you overpaid or underpaid, you're determining how much you should get back in a refund or how much you owe the government. You can also use professionals like H&R Block, TurboTax, and many more to help you make sure you submit correct, accurate taxes with the best possible results. Overall, each person's tax situation depends on the individual. And that will conclude this episode of Adulting. We hope this introductory information will help you in the future when you actually have to do your taxes. You can check out more content on YouTube at KNWT Channel 8. Thanks for watching. Bye!